Hello miners, Rusty coming at you. Today we're going to take a look at Zombie Nick, and this one is, I think that's a 1455 or the toenail. So here's what we're looking at. We have Zombie Nick toenail knife. He's got synthetic liners here. Nice transitions. See if we can take a peek at Nick there. And I can't even really see my screen. Hope it's coming out good. Take a peek at the liners. And that's looking good to me. On the back side, looking good, feeling good. Now we'll get to the blade. Ooh, that's a nice smooth pull. Doesn't feel like any half stop on that. Okay, so we got Zombie Nick here again. And nickel silver bolsters. Go ahead and close this up. Again, no half stop. Kind of gets a little tight right there. About a 5 pull. Pretty easy close. Don't get a lot of help from the springs. Well, that was a little tougher pull, about a 6. And normally, there we go. Friends don't eat friends. Let's see. Friends don't let friends eat friends. There we go. The sharpening on this one is a little wowie. We can take a peek at that. And so pretty shallow on this side and pretty deep on this side, if you guys can see that. Give this a close. A little bit of a snap. And I thought I noticed, yeah, take a look at the sharpening on this. A little bit of a wowie on that side as well. So must have been the guy's first day, or who knows, maybe he had a little bit to drink at work. However, okay, so this, as you guys saw, is a $20 knife. This is my case. It's a $40, it's American-made knife. And I don't know if you can see any wowie right in this area. But if you look close, and if I can catch it, it's like they had to hit it twice. And over here, we have a little bit of a burr coming through, right through here. I doubt we'll be able to see that on the camera, but it's there. Anyways, we're going to close this one, be done for this. Look for this knife in a comparison video coming soon. Thanks, guys.